a scatter plot. So you know how to create a scatter plot. Yesterday we have seen scatter of GDH, GDA. You submit and see whether the answer is correct. We have one scatter plot and see another thing. I had another scatter plot to figure for teams that do not have more home wins than away wins. So two scatter plots we are doing. One scatter plot is for this one. The second scatter plot is for the team which is going to have the condition. And I'm going to use two scatter plots, right? So I'll be using hold on and hold off. So GDH not more home wins than away wins. So GDH of not more wins, GDA of not more home wins. So I'm going to use this one. So when I run this, you see, you will have two scatter plots. So this variable is not defined. We have to define the more home wins as a variable. So if you define that, you will get the answer correctly. I'm defining this more home wins here at the beginning of the scatter plot. Now if you run two scatter plots, all the red indicates the first case, second indicates the second scatter plot. By this, we have, I think, so we'll submit here, it should be correct. All the things should be satisfied. Yes. The first scatter plot contains data of a team, which I think the semicolon is the issue. If we remove the semicolon, I think that should be fine. We'll see what is the issue. Yes, nowhere they have used semicolon for hold on and hold off. Semicolon is not mandatory anyways. I'll remove this. You submit, I think that should be correct. I think there is some issue with the code. We'll see what it is. I'm just copying it as it is. We'll see what is wrong. Yes, I think some variable issue was there. That is done. So finally, summary. We have seen what is logical indexing, how to extract elements based on logic.